Welcome to another video. Please consider subscribing as it helps me greatly. In this intriguing clip, we witness a perplexing encounter as a woman, seemingly in an altered state, approaches a house late at night and engages in incomprehensible mumbling. The exact circumstances surrounding her behavior and state of mind remain a mystery.
Hello, I just left to sleep over 2 hours ago at my friend's house in my friend's apartment, like 2 blocks away, and I've been like wandering around with my friend, like, and now I feel right around. I'm trying to get ahead of me.
In this chilling clip, we are confronted with a stark reminder of the importance of home security. As the footage unfolds, we witness a random individual approaching a house door with unsettling and eerie behavior. It serves as a powerful reminder to always prioritize the safety of our homes by ensuring doors are securely locked, especially during nighttime. In this surprising clip, captured in broad daylight, we witness the audacity of a random woman as she approaches a house porch and brazenly steals a wreath from the front door. It serves as a reminder that even during daytime, we must remain vigilant and take precautions to protect our property. In this alarming doorbell camera footage, we witness a man posing as a gardener, offering his services to an unsuspecting homeowner. However, what initially seems like a harmless encounter takes a dark turn when we discover the man's true intentions. He has been attempting to lockpick into cars in the neighborhood, preying on unsuspecting victims.
Hello, how you doing? How you doing, sir? I was gonna do your neighbors. I was gonna trim his bushes. I was wondering if you wanted me to get this in the process.
No, just no. I don't want to job because my grass was dying. I don't want to die.
Okay.
Not right now.
Thank you.
What are you asking you to do?
Huh?
What are you doing over here?
I was trying to see if you wanted.
In this eye-opening clip, we witness the brazen act of two thieves taking advantage of a vehicle left unlocked at the middle of the night. With astonishing ease, they gain access to the car and proceed to steal valuable items from within. This serves as a stark reminder of the importance of always securing our vehicles, even when parked in seemingly safe areas. Let this be a lesson to us all to never underestimate the need for proper security measures. In this adrenaline-pumping clip, we witness the power of our four-legged heroes in action. Doorbell camera footage captures the gripping moment when a K9 unit, with their dedicated handler, engages in a high-speed foot pursuit of a group of individuals at the middle of the night. The swift movements and unwavering determination of these K9 officers serve as a reminder of their vital role in law enforcement. If you're enjoying the content so far, please don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and share this thrilling video. In this next clip, doorbell camera footage reveals a puzzling incident where a woman, claiming to be the next-door neighbor, approaches a house at an unusual hour, seeking a blanket. The homeowners, startled by her unexpected visit and unfamiliarity, find themselves questioning her true motives and choose not to open the door. In this shocking clip, doorbell camera footage captures a terrifying act of arson. A random man is seen pouring flammable liquids on a house before igniting it, putting the lives of the homeowners at risk. The police are actively searching for this individual as the homeowners express their disbelief and complete unfamiliarity with the perpetrator. In this intriguing clip, doorbell camera footage captures a peculiar encounter at the dead of night. A random woman approaches a house and engages the homeowner, expressing her desperation for shelter, claiming she has nowhere else to go and is feeling cold. Her disoriented state raises questions about her well-being and circumstances. The homeowner, unsure of the situation, handles it with caution and compassion.
Hello?
Can I help you?
I was just looking... Can I talk to you?
Ma'am?
Can I talk to you in person?
No, thank you. Do you need any help?
No.
Okay, well, we can't help you, ma'am. I'm sorry. Do you need us to call the police for you?
What did you say?
Do you need help?
Yeah. I'm freezing out here. I'm freezing out here. I have a place to stay. I don't have a place to stay.
I'm sorry, ma'am. You can't stay here.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
In this shocking clip, doorbell camera footage reveals a brazen act of theft in broad daylight. A man boldly approaches a random house and shamelessly steals packages left outside the home. The audacity of his actions is both concerning and alarming. Let this serve as a reminder to always be vigilant and take necessary precautions to protect your deliveries. In this next clip, doorbell camera footage captures the moment when a man frustratingly waves his arms around as he yells at the top of his lungs. Who is this man and what is he going through? Thanks for watching this captivating video. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more intriguing clips like this, make sure to keep following this channel for regular updates. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and reactions to this footage. And if you want to continue the adventure, check out other videos on this channel by clicking on the end screen clips shown over here.